Welcome to Overlap and Braid Quickie Style. This is what I call a 20-minute hairstyle for the bridal party, the friends of the bride or the mother of the bride. We'll use the overlap technique and braid technique for this hairstyle. It's a really simple style. The step number 1 for this is to use the hair padding that we just learned how to make from an unwinded donut ball, right? So we'll do that first. After we've done that, we'll create some volume on the front section of the hair, the top section of the hair, and connect it to our donut. Use bobby pins and you can apply hairspray and create some separations like I'm doing on the top part. Now we will start using the overlapping technique. Now overlapping technique is an extremely simple and basic technique. For any part of the hair that feels rough on dry, you can use the dry oil spray or the shine spray, or you can use the dry nourishing serum. We will always try to see where the front is, what the client desires. So after doing the top part, we are dividing the hair, which is in the front section, into two parts and winding it together, pulling it out on one side, and boom, very simple. This is an extremely simple hairstyle and very popular. Once you've done that, you will go to the other side, pin the top away, and do the similar thing from here. Divide it into two parts, wind it together, and then pull out the hair. Pin it on the donut. Again, extremely simple hairstyle for special occasion, 20-minute styles. Now once you've done that, you will wind the front piece also into two braid strand and pull out the braids. Remembering this is a 12-inch mannequin, so the maximum length I have is 12 inches. Assuming your client has more hair or your mannequin has more hair, it should be easier for you to travel with the hair and reach the donut and create bigger pullouts. You can go all creative, and once you've done the pullout, then you'll stand in front of the client or the mannequin and do your final pullouts. The texture comes from the pullouts in this hairstyle, so feel free to see what looks good. Now is when we will begin our overlap technique. As you saw, we already took a strand of hair and put it on donut. Now we will take another strand of hair and cross over with the previous strand. This crossover is the overlap. We are overlapping one strand of hair with another strand of hair. We are creating, and later on you'll see that we'll be pulling out and creating texture, but for right now you can see that all we are doing is an extremely simple technique. With this we will secure our last piece. We will push off any ends inside the overlap. So overlap is nothing but just crissing and crossing of one piece of hair with the other so that you're able to create a nice look. Now is when you will start pulling out. This is when you will see that, oh my god, the entire look completely changes when you start pulling out. Because we haven't applied much of whole spray, it's easy to pull out. I just want you to use very less pressure between your index finger and thumb and pull out all over so that it's nice boho look and it's a very soft look. Now I'm using a black hair padding and black pins on a stark white hair mannequin. I'm sure when you have your clients, you'll have matching hairpins and matching hair padding, so the difference would not be so visible. I prefer learning on colored hair mannequins myself so that I see, oh, this hair is going here, this hair is going here, this section we pulled it out here. So because we used black hair padding and we used black pins, you will be able to exactly see where I've placed what, where I have used my pins, where are my hair padding, what's my volume, what's the direction. You'll be able to see it completely. And now is when you'll start actually pulling out the hair. See how amazing it looks after pulling out. Such an easy, simple technique. And wow, 20 minutes, not bad. This is the same hairstyle I did on one of my models a few months ago. The same technique, the overlap technique. If you look at it closely, the back is 95% similar. Just that she has more hair, we are using dark pins,